The video, taken near Valle del Bove, shows bright red and orange lava erupting as it rushes down the volcano. Drone video from New Year's Day shows hissing lava spilling from a fissure on Mount Etna in Italy. The video, taken near Valle del Bove, shows bright red and orange lava erupting as it rushes down the volcano. The lava lights up the night, creating a beautiful scene. In the long shot, city lights glow in the background, while the red lava illuminates Mount Etna's dark slopes. The sound of the cracking lava creates an intense contrast in the stillness of the night. Mount Etna is known for its volcanic activity, according to the UNESCO World Heritage Foundation, with recorded eruptive activity dating back to 700 years. According to the Global Volcanism Program of the Smithsonian Institute's National Museum of Natural History, Etna began erupting on Christmas Eve 2025, before ceasing on December 28th. Volcanic activity then increased again around the turn of the year, when new lava flows emerged from fissures in the volcano's flank and continued flowing toward the Valle del Bove area, a large valley on Etna's eastern slope that often serves as a natural pathway for lava flows. While the site is spectacular, volcanologists continue to monitor the development of activity on Europe's largest and most active volcano. Italian authorities stated that the lava flows currently pose no threat to residential areas, but tourists and residents are urged to avoid dangerous areas around the volcano, as conditions can change rapidly. Volcanic ash and gases released during periods of activity also have the potential to affect air quality in the surrounding area. Drone footage widely circulated on social media shows the incredible beauty and power of nature. Rivers of incandescent lava appear to carve paths along the dark mountainside, creating dramatic panoramas that attract photographers, scientists, and nature lovers from around the world.
Allora è finita perché qui c'è l'Etna che sta scoppiando, tutto il mare.
Mount Etna, rising some 300 meters above sea level on the island of Sicily, has become one of the most important natural laboratories for volcanological research. Its frequent activity provides scientists with the opportunity to study geological processes directly, while also serving as a reminder that the Mediterranean remains one of the most volcanically active regions in the world.
Guarda, bellissimo.
While this latest eruption has not shown any signs of major escalation, experts warn that Etna could experience sudden changes in activity. Seismic and thermal monitoring continues to detect a possible increase in magma pressure beneath the surface, while local residents remain vigilant for developments in the coming days.